Hi there, welcome to Innovative Stack. Today we're diving into Shadcn, a popular UI component library for building modern and accessible interfaces in React. You'll see these beautifully designed demo components. Like if we navigate to them, we'll get to see this UI, similarly dashboard, tasks, which you can use in your project. If you've worked with libraries, you might be wondering, what makes Shadcn different? Unlike traditional UI libraries that come as installed packages, Shadcn gives you fully customizable components that you own in your project. No external dependencies, no limitations, just clean and flexible UI elements. Here you can also go through their docs. For now, we'll focus on the installation process. Here you can choose whichever framework of your choice, but we'll be using Next.js in this video. For installation, we have to run these commands in our project. Select the npm command and copy. Paste it in your project folder. For now, my folder is empty. It will ask you some questions. For installation, we'll be heading with Next.js. Here we will install the project in the existing folder itself. So just enter /. You can see that all the packages are being installed. For style, here we'll go with New York, and you can choose whichever base color. We'll go with neutral. And enter yes for the CSS variables. Enter for use force for it to proceed. And yes, we have successfully installed Shadcn with Next.js in our project. Now run the command npm run dev to view the project and visit the localhost. And here we go. This is just the Next.js template. In the upcoming playlist, we'll see how we can use Shadcn components in our project. If you like the video, do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to Innovative Stack.